How do you make a Minecraft server? Well, you are in the right video. Thank you for watching me and selecting me. Today, I'll be showing you how to make your own Minecraft server. In the description, there will be a MediaFire link with this pre-made Minecraft server. It'll be in a .zip file. You can also get your .jar file from this website. Also link in the description to get your spigot or bucket. The plugins page will also be in the description, dev.bucket.org. Just make sure to push on projects in the process of doing this to see all the bucket plugins. Now don't be alarmed as it says bucket plugins because it does work with spigot as well. Now if you do not have Git already, I recommend that you get it. It is for the StartMe.sh. Now if you don't know what StartMe.sh is it allows you to run the commands /restart. I will have the code for StartMe.sh and StartMe.bat in the description. So when you first get here, you are going to accept the YOLO. So I've already accepted it, and stop. No, screwed up. Do not click spigot.jar. Oops. I'll be right back. Alright, so while my Minecraft is loading, we will discuss server.properties. Now, the MLTD is the thing at the bottom of your server in the multiplayer. You can enable your command blocks if you want. You can set your max players. Now, online mode. That's kind of like a what is that? Online mode is allowing people to play cracked Minecraft players will be able to play on your server if it's at false. If it's on false, it's okay. Your server is still online. It's just allowing a free Minecraft to come at your server. I am using free Minecraft because I can. Alright, so yeah. Alright, so okay, it's false. We can edit a bunch of other stuff. You guys are probably gonna wonder about port. Port is the thing that a router, like everything has their own port. It's how your things communicate with your router. So if something else is using another port, the thing that you're trying to do will not work. So you can change your ports. You could also port forward it, allowing it to the world to play Minecraft with you from your router. That would be in a different video. Alright, so we're gonna start MediaFire, and I'll be right back when it starts back up. Alright, it's starting. So, while we wait for the libraries to start loading, if you are not going to port forward it, you're going to have to add a server. You can name it a local host. Local host. Now, if you have a different port, you can type that in, but by default, it will connect to 25565, so you don't have to put that in. Alright, so on the console, it's going to start putting in all the files. First thing you'll put in is logs. And then I'll start. Like I said, start Minecraft server at 25565. The default channel port. So now it's going to start generating all the files. And I'll come back to you guys when it's done. Alright, after a big ol' wait, it has been done. So when it is done, it will get you a message done. It'll tell you the time. And then for help, type help. So I already have a Minecraft plugin on right now. It's clear lag. So once it's done with like starting all of your things that will start all your plugins at the end. The more plugins you have, the longer it will take. So, that can help. It will give you a selection, but it is better if you do it in game. So, if you've been waiting and it says cannot connect server, refresh. Okay, then you log in. It will tell you your IP address. So, once I opt myself, I will be right back. Alright, I have just OP'd myself, so also known as opt. Alright, so I have 1 bar of internet. That's because I have a lot of things running. Alright, so to see your plugins, you're going to do /pl, also slash plugins. You also do /plugins. That also bring up plugins. And you do /help, and it'll tell you your things. Up to a lot of good commands. So, I hope this video helped you. I hope you learn from it and do what you want now. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. See ya. Peace.